Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G9 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the capture settings, and here we have the camera leveler. So by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that. This is how it works here. And now let me keep this turned on and let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see here we have this line, this is this leveler. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture, and this is how it works. And of course when we don't need this to turn it off, we go back to the settings in the right corner, slide again to the capture settings, tap on this option. So for now the leveler is turned off and we can see it here. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.